All right, you've been watching our videos, you've done your own research on the internet, you've got it all figured out, and you're ready to start trading with real money. Wait a minute! Dramatic effect. Don't do that yet. Remember, every brokerage, even though you have real cash sitting there, every brokerage lets you paper trade, lets you trade fake money in real time. Why would it hurt for you to practice first before risking your own money? Practicing doesn't mean taking 10 days to do it. You can simply practice buying and selling, setting trailing stops, setting stop losses, and taking profits. And you don't need to take 10 days to do it. How about you just do it 10, 20, 50 times so you're comfortable with it? How about if you think you have a system that will tell you when to buy and sell a stock, just run it on a 1-minute chart. Make trades every minute. Just practice getting in and out. Because when you're practicing, it's easy. When you're practicing, you get comfortable. And just like riding a bike, you need to have muscle memory. You need to know how to sell real quick, how to buy real quick. When you're in a trade, how to set your trailing stop. You need the muscle memory to have done that so many times that it's second nature. Because when you start managing multiple trades all at once, well, it can get confusing. Not confusing that you're stupid, but confusing because things happen fast. So why would you put yourself in a position to lose real money until you're comfortable doing it with repetition? And if you have to trade real money, don't trade 100 shares, trade 1 share. Practice makes perfect, and you have the rest of your life to get really good at this, so let's not make mistakes early on that cost us money. Let's practice to avoid mistakes, and we're going to win every day in the long term. By the way, if you're not sure when to buy or to sell, all you have to do is follow the trades that I give out to my subscribers in my Discord. Check out the Discord, or better yet, sign up at copyandwin.com. We win every day.